can pick up landmine with it. Because you can like pick up literal.
No, wait. Let me take the sword out first.
Antimatter.
Let me take the sword out first.
It won't damage the freaking. You know what?
The backpack. What if you die?
Yeah, it won't damage the backpack. I don't care. I don't got nothing on me besides a backpack. Oh shoot!
Where'd my sword go?
Yeah, no. Hold on.
I'm doing it. Got back up. Yeah, what happened? That's mine.
I don't know.
Hey! You know what? Get back here. I'm gonna jab you with this if you don't give that back.
Hold on, jab this chicken. We're gonna have a Thanksgiving feast. Jab this chicken.
Hold on. Where's it at?
6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot. Oh. By the way, you can literally kill anything.
Chicken.
With that joust thing.
Chicken.
Like you know the red light, green light. You can.
We're not using the gun. I'm using the jab thing. Amari, you kill the chicken for the great chicken feast. Amari, where are you at? Zacchaeus probably died, knowing him. What happened?
Tell me what happened. Why are you over here?
I tried radioing you twice and you didn't answer.
Cause your radio wasn't on. Hold on. Can you hear me?
Yes.
I bet. So follow me.
Let's
then.
go get a Thanksgiving feast. Come on.
Yeah, hold on. Give me a second.
0. That's where the big chicken is.
By the way, he's an actual like turkey.
What?
He's an actual turkey. So come on.
You're gonna kill him though.
I'm gonna kill him.
Yeah, you are.
I bet. Ladies first.
Yes. You're taking it. Here.
Bet. Watch me throw it at him.
Kind of. Be quiet now.
Hey, Mr. Turkey, do you think I can do that? Okay.
Hey, Mr. Turkey. Do you think I can have that weapon back?
Mr. Turkey? Mr. Turkey?
Hey, it's
I don't
not
know why
that
you're so angry at
serious.
me.
Hey,
Mr. Turkey.
calm down. We just want that
That
little
didn't work.
Jable back.
Give it back!
Run. We got both.
Oh my gosh.
Did you get my Jable?
We're good. Nope.
You're so freaking weird.
I couldn't get it, bro. What do you mean? It was either the egg or the thingy.
Well, we're grabbing the egg because that gives us more money.
Yeah.
250. Bro, we need money. We're broke. No, me and Amari. No, let me out.
Oh yeah.
Give me that money.
250 on the dot. Jonah.
No, I already tried. No. We're getting my Jable back.
We're going down there. We're going down there. Trust, Jonah, come here.
Did you guys get out
Actually,
of
never
there?
mind. Wait. No, we should go to the haunted house.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Alright, we need a flashlight. But make sure you don't flash it for too long or else grandma will come for you. Here, you take it. No, don't spend no... Alright, whatever. Let's go.
We should have just gotten the backpack with the flashlight on it.
Whatever. Alright, we're gonna go get that.
John, this is
freaking
going on
grandma.
YouTube, so please be quiet.
Oh, by the way, Jonah.
Shh, yes.
Just so you know,
I'll be quiet.
we're looking for a bright yellow, like it's a glowing key.
P?
No, key.
Oh.
Like
Whenever you said bright yellow glow. What?
Yeah, it's like glowing.
Granny.
And I said, Granny's home. That's not how the song goes. Hold on, I gotta put my VR on the charger before it dies.
What happens if I leave my charger on like, or my flashlight on like this?
Then she'll kill you.
Hey, Granny.
She will kill you.
How fast is she? Is she in
She
here?
stands there. So look, flash your flashlight. You'll probably find her.
Hey, Granny. Granny?
You'll probably find her. If you see her, turn your flashlight on.
Does she look like old and wrinkly? I see her. I see
Yeah,
her.
she's probably here.
She's up there.
She just stands there, by the way. She just stands there, so you don't gotta worry about nothing.
Do you see her? She's up there.
Oh yeah, you're cooked. Yeah,
Run.
she's right there. No, she won't do nothing as long as you don't like keep your flashlight on. Oh shoot, she's still there. She keeps moving. We're just making her mad. She's gonna like pop up right in front of us too. Go inside, you won't.
Hey, Granny. Oh, crap. Stop.
So you still trying to go in?
What's that sound?
That's just the granny.
All
And
right.
again, as long as you don't have your flashlight on, you're good.
You said turn on your flashlight?
Whatever you say.
You said turn on your flashlight, right?
Yep.
What?
Come back down. No, I'm joking.
He's not even here.
Don't do that, you freaking idiot.
Why not?
She's gonna like pop up on the stairs. Yeah, you're cooked.
I think we annoyed her.
Yeah, she's gone now. Alright, let's go up these stairs.
Alright, come on.
No, keep your flashlight off, you idiot.
Have you died to Granny yet?
No, cause Hudson, he was helping me.
We're cooked.
You're cooked.
No, we're cooked.
No,
Where's
I
the
won't
key
leave
at?
it. I'll run away. Shoot, we gotta find it.
I'm gonna turn on my flashlight.
It's over here. It's over here.
Come on.
No, flash it. Just like one, and then we'll be like, wait 10 seconds. Freaking idiot. Alright, we gotta check on every one of these doors. Knock on the door.
Granny's coming.
No, she doesn't move unless you have your flashlight. So if you hear that, don't turn it on. No, you gotta like push the door. Bro, it's literally just like one of these.
Diamond!
And the flasher. No,
She's right there.
I don't know what that means. Dang. That's a ruby, by the way. And
Hold on,
I feel
put
like. Take my backpack.
Did I lose
Cause you don't
mine?
have yours. Yeah, probably.
It's when I died to that chicken, isn't it? Where'd you go? Flash your flashlight.
Alright, we're good.
Oh no, ladies first.
Nothing in there. Nothing. This is legit just a closet. Oh, we just opened that door. Alright, whatever. Come on.